She was always tired, always taking pills, but her body wasn't healing. So let's fix it. Let me tell you something powerful. Medicine treats symptoms, but food treats the body. Don't get me wrong, medicine is important, but if your body is not getting the right nutrients, it will struggle to heal no matter how many pills you take. So today, let's talk about the foods that help your body heal faster, stronger, and naturally. Let's get right into it. First up is leafy greens, which are your body's repair tools. Foods like spinach, kale, lettuce, and cabbage are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which repair damaged cells, supports blood production, and also strengthen your immune system. When your body is healing, greens act like construction workers, rebuilding what's broken. Next up, number two is fruits. Fruits help your body to heal from the inside out. Fruits like oranges, berries, apples, pineapple, and watermelon are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. They help heal wounds faster, reduce inflammation, and also strengthen your immune system. Think of fruits as your body's natural medicine cabinet. Number three is healthy proteins. When your body is injured, sick, or tired, it needs protein to rebuild tissues. And the best sources of proteins can be found in fish, eggs, beans, lentils, nuts, etc. Protein repairs muscles, keeps your body strong, and also heals your tissues. Without protein, healing is slow, but with protein, healing is faster. On to number four is garlic, ginger, and turmeric. These are not just spices. They are nature's healing agents, and they are powerful natural healers. They fight bacteria and viruses, they reduce inflammation, and also support circulation. Adding them to your meals or tea gives your body daily healing support. Number five is whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, millet, and whole wheat bread provide steady energy. They support digestion, balance blood sugar, and also, most importantly, help your body recover without fatigue. Healing needs energy, and whole grains provide clean, steady fuel. And on to number six, which is the most overlooked healer, is water. Yes, water. Your body cannot heal properly without water because water flushes toxins, it transports nutrients, and supports every healing process. Sometimes healing doesn't begin because the body is simply dehydrated, and most people don't actually know this. So start drinking water today and start rejuvenating your body. Now, there is a quick tip I'm going to give you, which includes foods that actually slow down healing process. And these includes sugary foods, fried foods, processed snacks, and also alcohol. Because these increase inflammation, they slow tissue repair, and they also weaken the immunity of the body, thereby slowing down healing process. Now let me say this gently. Your body wants to heal. Your body knows how to heal, but it needs the right fuel to do so. Food is not just something you eat, it's something your body uses to rebuild you. If this has helped you, please like, share, and subscribe because someone you love may need this message today. And remember, you don't heal by accident, you heal by nourishing your body. Thanks so much for watching this video.